Hello friends, good morning. And today I came with a very unique product which is called Amazon AWS DeepRacer car. This is developer car, and I'm going to show you the product right now. And I don't have any battery of that thing, so it's useless for me. I'm not a developer or a techie kind of person, but still we are buying lots of things in which this product also came, and unfortunately the battery is not along with that product, so I'm not able to run this product. I'm not able to test, but this is very much box packed new. I will show you the product. What kind of product is this? First of all, this is the brochure came. Okay, and this is the car. This is Amazon AWS DeepRacer car. I will show you. There are some few locks here which I already removed that thing. So these are the locks. I'm just opening the upper cover of that thing. This is the car, and I guess this is a battery slot which is not available with that thing. And this is a camera which is very much new, and you see these are the suspension, and the particular thing which only developer knows how to run, because I already told you, because I'm not a developer and not a person who can develop all these things. So I got this thing and I'm willing to sell, and it's very unique thing. And this is the cover of that thing which comes here. Now this is a box. This is Amazon AWS box. I will show you what is in that box. This is the few accessories came with that thing. This is type C, some kind of type C cable, which is already mentioned on that thing. This is the power cable. This is a battery charger adapter, and few locks come with that thing. And this is the micro USB cable, and nothing is that. So all these things are here, and I would like to sell. Whoever interested, please message me. I will give you a lower price. What is the market price? Half price you can calculate, and it will be, you can say that, more worthful to a person who knows about that technology. So I guess you have seen the product, and thank you very much. Thank you very much for that. And please keep watching my videos. I will give you lots of other technologies and all. And don't forget, please subscribe my channel. And this is especially I made this video for developer only, and who are very much in terms of in line of technical kind of person who can